In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make smoke flares from materials you can find around the house. For this video, we're going to need a container of stump remover. We're also going to need sugar, and we're going to need a scale with a container to mix things in. Measure out 60 grams of stump remover. Stump remover is an oxidizer called potassium nitrate, and you can find it at many hardware stores. What this does is it combines with the sugar to make it burn really well. Next, we're going to measure out 40 grams of common sugar. Mix these thoroughly until both mixes are intimately combined. Next, we're going to need a 3/4 inch PVC pipe along with a dowel that will fit inside, some sawdust, and a mallet. Grab a small amount of sawdust and put it into the bottom of the PVC pipe. Then use the dowel and the mallet to pack it down. When you're done, it should look something like this. Then pour our white mix into the base. Pack it down with the dowel and the mallet, and it should look something like this. And we're pretty much done. Now all that's left is to light one of your smoke flares off. While not seen well on camera, they put off an impressive amount of smoke. And if you want to skip the plastic tube altogether, you can just light the white mix by itself and it burns really well. Well, that's how you build cheap, reliable smoke flares on a budget with stuff you can find around your home. Well, that's all for this video. If you like this one, maybe you like some of my others. Check them out on the channel, and please subscribe.